and will often rise to the water's surface in search of prey, which at some times of the year would definitely include mayflies. Despite their name, mayflies can actually be seen emerging from their aquatic larval stage and taking flight from April all the way into September. There are 51 species in the UK, and their scientific name, Ephemeroptera, is indicative of their short adult lifespans. This translates to temporary winged and is suitable as most adult mayflies only survive for a day or two, whilst they quickly rush to breed before dying. Whilst mayflies can cause quite a spectacle,